Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm unboxing a brand new wireless microphone that I just got in the mail. It's from a company in China, and I was super excited to try it out. Let's take a look inside and see what we've got. As always, the packaging looks pretty decent. Here's the microphone, and this is the receiver. It feels solid enough for the price, right? We've also got the charging cables, the manual, everything seems to be here. But here's where things get interesting. I tried to turn on the receiver, and nothing. It just won't power on. I've charged it, I've pressed every button, but it looks like this one's a dud. So, after a bit of frustration, I've decided to pack it all back up and return it. Sometimes you win, and sometimes you end up with a product that just doesn't work. That's part of the fun of unboxing, right? You never know what you're going to get. If you've had similar experiences with tech, let me know in the comments. I'm definitely going to be looking for a better wireless mic, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more unboxing adventures, hopefully with better results next time.